Okay guys, welcome to Bocaster YouTube channel. Today our video will be on how to make money online by solving others problems online or doing people taxes and get paid by your effort. So as you can see, Bocaster YouTube channel is to train you on how you can make money online by doing simple taxes which require no investment, even though some may require you to do some investment. But note, those with investment that I will be showing you on this channel is very legit, so there is no need to panic if you watch video which require about some videos which require you to do some investment on other sides in order to make enough money from it. Don't be panic, because I've made a good researches on my videos before posting them. So let us start today's tutorial. But don't forget, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that anytime that I release a new video, you will be having access to it. So now you are required only your phone, your internet connection, and then the website, and just like that you start making money online very fast. So let's just start the video. First thing of all, you have to go and launch your Google Chrome, or go to Google and search for the website called Rapid Workers. So I've typed Rapid Workers in my search button, and then type on the first link, and here we are on the home page of Rapid Workers. So now when you come to Rapid Workers, let us see or look at what you can do on this website to get money from it. So when you come to an active box, you can see there are available taxes. So the activity box means that those tasks and the activity box, they have performed them already, and those people who do them have gotten paid already. So when the first one, it says YouTube vote for this video. So the person wants you to vote for, go to YouTube and vote for his video, and you are getting 0.10, that's 10 cents. So in just 1 minute, the time available is just 1 minute, so you only need 1 minute to finish that stack and get your 10 cents. So you can see the status say that the person have done it, that's why the mark is green and correct, and the end, the person have gotten his money. So, and the second task is follow me on Twitter. So you have to go and follow that person and you get paid. So let's just see how we can sign up for this website. So when you come here at the top over here, you can see sign up new member now. So you type on that, so it will send you to sign up page, so where you will be required to enter your name, your email, your password, and the country that you are. So you can see this website is international. No matter where you are from, you can sign up for this one. So after that, you just tap on the I'm not a robot and come down here and agree to their terms and conditions and create my account. So after creating your account, let's see how it works on there. So you come up top here. When you finish creating, they will send you an email to go and verify. So you open your email and tap on the link to verify your email. So there, I've already have an account for it. So let me just log in. So I tap on I'm not a robot. So and go and tap on submit to log in into your account. So I've finished logging in my account, and this is the home page of it. So after you log in, you see so many taxes. So this is the reason why I like this website. When you are into it, you can do as much as taxes that you are. There is no limit of earning on this website. So you just go and find any task that you can do, and then tap on the featured button and go for the task. So you can see install. I'll go for install Android app. Oh, it's only for those who are in US. So let us find our country's own. I'm in Ghana, or find some tax which are international. Verify this also forever. I've typed on very legit site will help you forever. So after that, they'll link you here and you read details about the work. So you read details about it. So when you watch at the top, you see work done 2 over 3. That means the person need 3 people, and 2 have already submitted their own and get paid. So now you come to you can accept this job if you are only so, and under it they say international. That means no matter where you are, you can do this task. So it is international. So what you just need is to follow the employer or the work provider instruction. So here you come step 1 using this link. So you just copy the link like this. You just press on it, copy the link, and then tap on Google Chrome, or just copy and go and paste it. Follow the link and sign up for the account. So important for payment step: do simple survey or offers to earn a minimum $7. So the person is requiring you to at least earn a minimum of $7. They require proof that tax was finished. So requirement for proof: so you take a screenshot after the job done. So you take a screenshot. So it should show the details of the account. So after you finish those creating and then make your payment and read the minimum of $7, then you take your screenshot containing the details with balance $7. So first thing, you have to screenshot your account details and then screenshot total earnings with $7. Then you can continue doing surveys and earn more. That means the website the person is referring you to is also a money making site. So after you read his requirement, that's the $7, then you can continue doing surveys and earn more. So, and it is one of the best websites. So he's telling you that it is one of the best. So when you read the instructions from the job, so and you see that it's good to go, then you can tap on I confirm that I follow instructions, and you just come here, put your details, the snap that you take. It asks you to take, then put it here and tap on I confirm that I follow the instructions and complete the task. So that's just it, and then you can have your 38 cents. So you can do as much as so. And if you see that some job is difficult for you to do, you can change to another job, because there are so many for you to earn on this platform. So there are so many ways for you to earn on this platform. You can do as much as you want or as you can. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, so that anytime that I found a new website which is better than this, and make video and you will have access to. Thank you very much.